something about your personality you possess. What kind of personality you have?
Sir,
Yes, please.
I have always on chill mode, and I do not have any ego.
Do you think you are good at making friends?
Yes, sir. I making friend very easily.
How did you get such quality? Or is it God gifted?
Sir, I think if you make fun, so people can attract easily.
Somewhere I think you are making a very big planning from your childhood. I think you are going to be a future MLA of Ballabgarh. So you are making connection with everyone locally. 15 years back you have started the campaign. Do you think you can be a local leader in future?
Sir, I have some interest in politics. If I have chance, so I will do, and I stand on MLA election from our area.
Okay. What qualities shall we have to become a politician? To be honest. अंदर की भी बातें बता देंगे क्या होनी चाहिए हमें. Speak honestly, but qualities should we have to be a politician?
Sir, I think politician will easily attract with anyone and listen the problems of poor and locals people and solve.
These are the scripted. Tell something that we should have. A politician must have such qualities to attract people. What qualities should you have?
Sir, I think.
Do you think we must be ready to sacrifice everything, even if it is your family member? Do you think that we must be ready to sacrifice anything, even you have to sacrifice your own family member? Do you think we must be ready to go to any extent? Being a politician, do you think we must be ready to go to any extent कि किसी भी हद तक जाने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए हमें? आपको लगता है ऐसा और आपको लगता है मैं गलत हूँ? You think I am wrong?
Sir, sir, everyone have a family, and if you have some situations when you sacrifice your family for making MLA, so I did not like this, and I live with family. And sir, MLA is just normal thing, but family is very important for our. And
people generally make allegation or a statement that politics is very dirty, we should never join it. What do you want to say about it? What's your comment?
Sir, because every MLA have lots of corrupt. Sir, they have corrupt.
Yes, they are corrupt.
Sir, they are corrupt, and they have also illegal work. So people say,
They are corrupt.
sir,
Politics
is bad.
Politics is dirty.
Yes, sir. Politics is dirty.
So are you ready to join this dirty politics?
Yes, sir. If God will give me chance to.
If you become the CM of Haryana for one day, have you watched the movie Nayak?
Yes, sir.
So what will you do? If you become one day Nayak of
Sir,
Haryana Pradesh,
Sir, I kill all the rapists first, and
But do you not think that is not the work of government? That is the work of judiciary.
sir,
That doesn't come under the government. Government makes the rule, but not implements.
so sir, I distribute money.
You will distribute money. Don't you think inflation will be high? Okay. What do you want to say about the image of Rahul Gandhi? This is the last question for you. Do you think the image of Rahul Gandhi has changed over the past years?
Sir, I listen all the speech of Rahul Gandhi. Sir, he make laugh of.
But that is only like small part. That's
No,
not the full speech.
sir,
Even Modi ji makes many mistakes sometimes. Once he was saying, "Beti bachao, beti patao." By mistake he spoke, but he had no such intention.
sir, I did not listen this, but
I'm asking simple question. Do you think the image of Rahul Gandhi has changed over the past few years?
yes, sir, Rahul Gandhi changed our images. Say over past year, sir, when I was adult or under 15 years, I listen his nickname Pappu, and
Sorry, it was given by BJP IT, sir. It was not his nickname. Well and clap for Kumar.